up guys, welcome to Top Fun For You. In today's video I've got the latest flagship from Google. This is the Pixel 6 Pro, and I'm just gonna quickly do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. So as you can see, it comes in a slim box, which means there is no charger which will be included in this box. So we got the Google printed on the side, and we got on the other side you've got the Pixel 6 Pro written on it. So we got the logo on the top. To open it up, we got the little strip you peel off on the side. So just peel this off. When you open the box, you just present it with the phone itself. You just lift it up in there. And we have that band for the cameras on there. Just gonna peel these off and switch it on. Okay, inside the box we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then we have a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And we have a little book with the SIM ejecting tool in there. And that's it. There's nothing else. There is no power brick, but it supports a charger up to 30 watts. Initial screen, I'm just gonna go through the setup. Okay, once the phone is on, it comes with a 6.7 LTPO AMOLED display. So on the top we have the microphone, and there is nothing else. So we have the power and the volume up and down on the side, and then at the bottom we have the USB-C charging port, and then two speaker grill, and on the other side we have the SIM ejecting tray there, and there's nothing else. And it has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, both front and back, and then it comes with that band which holds the camera. Got a triple setup camera on there. It comes with a stereo speaker at the bottom, so let's hear how it sounds like. This is the first flagship which comes with the Google on chip, Google Tensor, and it is one of the biggest ever made as well from Google. So this one is the 128 gig storage with the 12 gig RAM. So as you can see there, it's running the Android 12. As you can see there, you can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Here's more settings for the camera. Okay, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.